In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play open weight in UFC 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to customize your fights and set up open weight. So, in order for you to do open weight fights, you will have to set up it through the Fight Now menu. So, from the home screen of the game, go over to Fight Now. This mode is designed for quick, customizable matches. And when you go over to Fight Now, and you choose any of the main events, you will see this option here, Open Settings. So on PlayStation, you will have to press the square button to open the settings for the specific event that you choose. So go into Fight Now, select any of the events, and then press square. Now you will see all of the settings. You will be able to choose between game style, gameplay, and then AI behavior. What you have to do is go over to gameplay. And now the very first thing that you will find is going to be the weight class type. Select between strict or combined weight classes. Strict follows UFC style weight classes, while combined mixes two or more weight classes into one. So essentially, open weights means that you are no longer restricted to matching fighters within the same weight division. You can pit a heavyweight against a lightweight, for example, so you can do unpredictable matchups. Keep in mind that significant weight and size differences will have a large impact on the fight. Heavier fighters will generally have a power advantage, while lighter fighters may have speed and agility advantages. So after you change that, just go in and you will be able to browse through all of the weight classes right here. It is simple to do, and this should work as soon as you open the settings and you go over to the gameplay category. There is no secret. So choose an event from the Fight Now window, open the settings regardless of your platform, and you will be able to change it. I hope I was able to help you on how to do open weight UFC 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.